Hello everyone. West Bengal is the biggest atmosphere of learning, my dear. Yes. So this particular video is dedicated to the West Bengal and the engineering colleges in West Bengal. And means what are those opportunities which West Bengal provides you in engineering field. Suppose that you are a student, then definitely you always thinking about to getting yourself admitted in any engineering colleges, right? If you belong to West Bengal, then definitely what kind of opportunities or what kind of offerings West Bengal gives you for your engineering. Let's get started, my dear. So, if I talk about this particular channel, then this channel will provide you each and everything about your test prep and your preparation for your upcoming examinations, whether it is competitive or your academics, right? So, welcome to TestprepKart channel, my dear parents and students. So, let's get started and see that what I am going to serve you today. So before we start this particular session, I would like to tell you that the student, Indian and NRI planning to take admission in top prestigious engineering colleges in West Bengal, we are going to discuss all possible options for you in this video, my dear. So let me tell you what kind of things or how much things I am going to cover in this particular video. First of all, I would like to tell you that national level entrance examination. Then I'll tell you that state level entrance examination, then private colleges entrance examination, requirement for admission, and at the last but not the least, actually, the documents needed for Indian and NRI. This is the most important thing actually, right, in this particular video. So don't miss this particular video and don't stop this video watching it, right? And don't go anywhere, my dear, because this video is going to be very beneficial for your upcoming future and all, right? So let's get started. So possible admission open for you in the West Bengal. So first of all, let me tell you something that the candidate can take admission in West Bengal Engineering College through three different options available with them, which are mentioned below, my dear, right? You will get each and every details at your screen as well, and you can take snapshot or you can say screenshot as well, right, to make it or to keep it for your future references, right? With these options, you will be able to pursue your BTech, BE, MTech, ME. Will cover options for NRI students also, where they are get Nri Quota option available to under DASA and CIWG quota, my dear, right? So these are the particular options which provided for NRI students. So what about the Indian students, right? Indian students are much beneficially getting each and everything in this particular video, right? Or in this particular quota as well. So the possible admission options are there. If I talk about the entrance exam level and entrance name, exam name, then the first is that is National Level Engineering Entrance Exam. That is NLEEE as well, right? This is actually the acronym of this particular examination. If I talk about JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, these are the two examinations, right, which is for national level entrance examination. If I talk about state level, then definitely WebJEE. It is called WebJEE, WBJEE, West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination. Suppose that a student passes his or her class 12, then if he wants to get himself admitted in a state entrance examination, then definitely, or want to become an engineer, then definitely if he belongs to West Bengal, he has to perform this particular examination, which is a state level examination, WebJEE. If he wants to give the national level examination, then definitely it is for all, right? For JEE, Mains and Advanced. This is for all candidates actually. If I talk about the private colleges entrance examination, then JEE Mains, WebJEE and own private college test. As you know, different colleges or separate colleges or individual colleges start taking admission test for their students individually. So if you want to get yourself admitted in private colleges, then definitely you have to give that separate examination as well, right? Okay, so first of all, I am just going to a bit deeper into a national level entrance examination, my dear. So what happens in this particular examination? So national level engineering examination like JEE is conducted at a national level in India, and its score is valid for engineering college admissions. You will get weightage, you will get cutoff marks and all, right? And according to those cutoff marks, you will be called for the counseling, right? And then you will get admission in any engineering colleges according to the level of your cutoff, according to the marks you gain or you scored. To be straightforward, you can simply appear for JEE mains paper. Based on your score, will be able to get admission in any of the engineering colleges in West Bengal. Yeah, the key here is better the score is, better your chance of getting in top colleges. Everyone wants to become a student of a top college. In this particular case, you have to score well in your JEE mains and advance. Then and there you will be able to get yourself admitted in the topmost colleges in West Bengal or anywhere in India, right? So be it nationwide or in West Bengal top government colleges. NRI students, yes, let me tell you something about the NRI students. You are eligible for NRI quota under DASA or CIWG, right? You will be getting a separate video for this particular category as well if you are unable to understand the acronym of this particular thing. So kindly go to the TestprepKart.com or channel and subscribe this particular channel for getting each and every updates of these kind of information, my dear. If you want to know something more about NRI quota, CWGA, CIWG, or you can say DASA, then definitely there are separate videos available on this particular platform. So let me tell you more about this. So this particular scheme for admission to engineering college across India, get the list of colleges accepting NRI quota here actually, right? Okay, suppose that if I talk about the top IIT engineering colleges in India, as of 2021, there are total number of IIT colleges in India is 23. Yes, mark this number, 23. And they are offering 11,275 plus seats for the undergraduate program. The total number of seats in popular courses like BTech, BE is 9,611. But you only want the one only, right? So you don't have to worry about the seats. You do not have to worry about anything. Just be faster in your preparation, be smoother in your preparation, and definitely will get the one seat for yourself, right? And approx 5,300 seats as well, right? So these institutions offer a degree program, the top engineering colleges in West Bengal, according to the NIRF ranking, right? Offer full-time degree course program is there. I am providing you a particular list with approx total of fees for a particular IIT. If I talk about, I just want to read few of them, right? That's like IIT Mumbai, you can say IIT Bombay, Madras, Delhi, Kanpur, Varanasi, that is BHU, Gandhinagar, Roorkee, Indore, Mandi, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Patna, Jodhpur, Ropar, Palakkad, Tirupati, Dhanbad, Bhilai, Goa, Jammu, Bhubaneswar, Dharwad, Kharagpur. Yeah, definitely. I just want to pinpoint one word, that is Kharagpur. Yes, IIT Kharagpur is the actually origination place of great CEO Sundar Pichai, right? Definitely. He was passed out from IIT Kharagpur only, my dear. And you can get to know each and everything about the total fee structure of this particular list as well. Okay, let me tell you about top government colleges in India other than IITs. If you are not able to find any private colleges, if you are able to find any government colleges near you, then definitely this will be the biggest opportunity for you to get yourself admitted over there. National Institute of Technology, that is NITs, Indian Institute of Information Technology, that is IIITs, Birla Institute of Technology, that is BITs, Delhi Technical University, that is DTU. I have made a separate video for DTU as well. You can go and just find it out. Anna University, Annamalai you can say, or you can say Tamil Nadu, right? Okay, so Vellore Institute, yeah, there are lists of institutions, my dear, right? So, and after getting knowledge of these particular things, yes, the one curiosity arises is that how it can be possible. Yes, it can be possible through entrance examination, my dear. So the eligibility criteria of DASA and CIWG candidates, that a candidate must pass 10 or 12 grades. Minimum score is 65% or 75%. DASA CIWG should score 60%. Student must pass 11, 12 for mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, or computer science. DASA CIWG candidate must have passport and ID proof, character certificate, domicile certificate, and mark sheet of 10th and 12th, my dear. This criteria is for JEE mains, national level. If I talk about state level, then definitely student seeking engineering admission in BTech BE course can apply through a state engineering entrance examination, that is WebJEE. I told you earlier. There are about 30 top engineering colleges that accept WBJEE in West Bengal, right? So these are the criteria, my dear. And if I talk about the top engineering colleges in West Bengal, then yes, Ramkishan Mahato Government Engineering College, that is in Purulia, right? And the total amount of fees is also mentioned over here, and the required entrance test. Yeah, at last you can say, yeah, you definitely get a screenshot of this particular, and if you want to download each and every details, then definitely go to the description box, and definitely do not forget to subscribe this particular channel. Entrance examination and eligibility. If I talk about state, then candidate must pass 10th and 12th, minimum 45% of the higher education board. Student must pass 11th and 12th from maths, physics, chemistry, bio. That is the same criteria actually, right? And if I talk about private, then definitely the criteria is almost same, my dear, but you can take a screenshot and definitely read each and everything about this, right? And the institution of the normal institution, if I talk about, then definitely you will have this particular list over here, which is in West Bengal, Kolkata, Haldia, Durgapur, everywhere the colleges are, my dear, right? The last one is Asansol Engineering College. This is actually most important one, right, for the students who are actually coming from the rural background as well, right? So let me tell you each and everything about that. There are other engineering colleges as well, right? So these are the particular things, and the most important, what I told you before, the required documents for this particular admission, or you can say, right? So NRI and a student's candidate, NRI or Indian student, have to produce the document given below, right? That first one is mark sheet of the 10th and 12th, character certificate, domicile, category certificate, passport size photograph, admit card of entrance examination, score card of entrance examination, and passport, right? So these are the necessary documents you have to keep in hand ready before going for the examination. So thanks for watching TestprepKart channel, my dear. Do go and subscribe this particular channel, yes, and hit the bell icon, my dear. Bye bye, thank you, and meet me in the next video.